How to download Draggan AI. So if you want to download the Draggan AI, then what you need to do is Draggan AI Photoshop images with simple drag control. It will change expressions, it will change everything from a pose. They have the ability to change everything from a pose over expression to shape of objects and everything. So to download it, go to their website, which is open up your Google or your Chrome, and then go with the search and search for Draggan AI. Once you search for Draggan AI, here you will have Draggan AI tool. So simply under that option here, you will have Draggan AI app download option. So you just simply choose the option. Once you choose the option, now if you scroll down, here you will have an option of Draggan AI app download for Android or PC users. So if you scroll down, then here you will have the video, which will make the editing process more efficient. So if you scroll down here, then you will have an option of download. Tap on download. So here it says that unfortunately, as of now, the Draggan AI app is not available for Android or iOS devices. So it might be available in the future. However, it's worth keeping an eye on future developments as the availability of the Draggan AI tool app may expand to include Android devices in the future. So that is available, like Draggan AI is available for Windows or Linux users. The Draggan AI download is currently available for PC users, specifically those using Windows and Linux operating systems. So if you're using your Windows or if you have any laptop or your PC, then you can download your Draggan AI there. But you don't have an app, or you can't download the application of Draggan AI on your Android or iOS devices. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.